Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. And for this one, we are throwing Grug.
brother True.
Here we go.
Yep.
Okay, easy. So Grug from the Croods. Okay, we start at the top center, top in the middle, and we are drawing an eyebrow. And very close to that eyebrow, we draw the other eyebrow. Greg has got like almost a unibrow. Unibrow means one eyebrow. Going right across. Okay, then we're drawing a little line there and a little line there. We draw domes over them and a dome over that one, and a little dome inside there and inside that one, and we can color in a pupil. What? You go ahead of me again. Okay. Black in the center, and put the brown in the white stay. Yeah. Okay. So now Greg has a wide nose. So we draw a wide nose like that. Got that?
Yep.
And he's got a wide smile. And draw another line below it just to make an open mouth smile. There's it. Okay. Now, from the side of his eyes here, that area there and that area there, we're going to draw his wide cheeks and his long chin and go up that way. Got it? Yep. And now his head goes. Got that.
Yep.
Okay, so now we need to draw some hair first, just like this, and his little tuft of hair on top there, close to that, and then onto that we can add an ear there and an ear there. We can make a little shape in the ear, little C shapes, and that's Grug's head.
Yep.
You got it? Are we gonna add his little beard?
Yes.
Okay, so with this beard, we're just gonna stipple it. You know what stippling is? When you just press dots down. We should do a drawing with stippling one day, and we'll try that out. We'll show everybody what that's about. Hopefully, we get a nice drawing out of that. But here we go. So we just stipple some beard. He's got a goatee kind of stubble thing going on, and along the edge here as well. Okay, so that's our Greg. That's his face. Almost there, almost there. Okay, so Greg has a big body. So just here where the neck is going to be, just draw two little lines there.
Okay.
And we draw like the inside of his top. But his top is like a fur, like an animal skin type thing, a furry type of thing. So we're gonna make it wavy little lines to make it look furry, and we stop there. And this way as well. We stop there,
Okay.
and now wavy furry lines there. And this arm we draw big and big. Just check your arms. You got it? Okay. Should have drawn a bigger arm. I should have made mine bigger, and we're drawing furry lines coming down here. And we draw big arm. That line there, that line there. And then his forearm just as big until there. And now we need to add hands on this. So add a little line, a little thumb, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's his little hand. And this side is a hand and a thumb. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And now the furry animal skin top is wearing, and we're carrying this furry line across. And down here it shows up with here, and there we go. Well, we always seem to run out of space. And now his legs are way smaller than the top body, so that's fine. So we draw, yep, come down, and we draw toes on there, and that's his one foot. And the other side as well, we draw the big leg, the wide leg, the foot, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost ran out of space. We just about made it. That's how Grug, everybody. Okay.
And so you wondering why we draw it?
Why are we drawing Grug?
Because of me.
He's a bit of a meme these days, yeah. Okay, is it time to color?
Yep.
Here we go. So we need skin colors and the furry pelt colors, the animal fur. So we can use a brown. We have a couple of browns here. We have 3 decent browns, and then we have skin tones. So some of the skin tones can even go for the top. And his hair is also brown. So this whole drawing is different shades of brown basically. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Okay, skin color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Grug. So maybe next time we have a look at the stippling, and we'll use fine liners for that.
Yep.
So that's a whole new process, something new for the channel, right?
Yep. And so I want to try like something like new, some similar like this, but they didn't.
With different techniques.
Yeah.
Okay. So similar thing that we usually do on Splatty. We do characters, we do whatever we want, we do animals, but we're gonna try out some different techniques. That's actually a very good idea. That's a nice thought there. So thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye.